Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried cabbage and kale with bacon, and I'm using my Oster electric skillet. This side dish comes together rather quickly, making it perfect for those fast weeknight meals. You just need 3 strips of bacon, a head of cabbage, a bunch of kale, 1 whole onion sliced, and about 5 cloves of garlic sliced. So I've preheated my skillet, and now I'm adding in the bacon. This bacon is frozen, by the way. So I'm just going to let that cook a little bit until some of the fat has rendered out. And now I'm adding in my sliced onion. As the onion was cooking, I noticed I needed a little bit more fat. So I grabbed some leftover bacon fat that I had in my fridge and I added it to the skillet. Now, if you don't have leftover bacon fat in your fridge, you're not cooking right. Once the onion softened up, I added in the sliced garlic. Now it's time to add in the cabbage. Next, it's time to add in the kale. Once the kale was mixed in, I placed the lid on top so the greens could wilt a little bit. And once they were wilted down just a tad, it was time to go ahead and season up the dish. I'm using some Creole seasoning. Now you guys know I don't measure, I just sprinkle until my ancestors say stop. So we've got some Creole seasoning, a little bit of thyme, and then I added in some granulated onion. And then finally, I added in some let's turn that around. Some granulated garlic. So then I just stirred everything together until it was all thoroughly combined. And then I just let it, saute for a few minutes, and that was it. That was my side. I always like to add a green vegetable to my dinners, and so this was perfect. So once it was done cooking, I put the lid on and I set the skillet to keep warm while I worked on the rest of the dinner, which was some yummy red beans and rice. There will be a video soon on this. And then I also did some pork chops, and I will put a link to that video up above and in the description box. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel when you like my videos. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is uploaded. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!